We came from down here, and then this is the view. Awesome, because we see nothing.
Yeah, only one look.
We climbed the mountain.
Yay!
Yeah. And then we need to get one more little higher. And I'm not sure whether I record that. Oh, this is pretty. Now we're talking, folks. Rattlesnake Trail. Yeah, I don't know. I don't come from here, but over here it's just foggy. And here, there's the lake. What a beautiful view.
I know. I think we have to go over there.
Yeah, I know. But we're going down this way around.
Yeah,
We're not jumping
we're
over
not
this
gonna.
cliff.
No,
Gotta check on the elevation. What?
Once they come down.
Yes, we're coming! He doesn't want us to climb there.
I know.
This is so nice, folks. And look, the bush is starting to bloom as well. And that is not that high. It looks higher. Yes. And down there is our car somewhere. This parking lot.